Imagine living in London in 1814 when suddenly a tidal wave barrels down your street, not of water, but dark, frothy beer. On October 17th, a massive vat at the Moo & Co brewery burst, releasing over 320,000 gallons of porter. The force smashed through walls, flooding the St. Giles district. Houses collapsed, cellars filled, and tragically, at least 8 people lost their lives. The streets ran brown, and the smell lingered for days. The beer flood remains one of history's most bizarre disasters, a sobering reminder of the power and peril hidden in everyday industries.